From the Kolkata studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Good evening and welcome, dear viewers. I'd like to begin tonight by saying a few words about the biggest ever scandal, the most horrifying scandal, the most dirty scandal that has ever hit any police force anywhere in the country. And yes, I'm talking about what is happening in Mumbai. It is incredible that an assistant police inspector was given charge of the entire crime branch of India's financial capital. And today that officer, along with others, is being investigated for terrorism. Who gave him that power? Was he acting alone? This particular officer, about whom the most ghastly details have emerged, accused, extortion, terrorism, blackmail, murder. It is incredible viewers, that this particular individual, and you will understand what I'm indicating, for I shall not say anything more, but we look at those pictures tonight, viewers. And that is a Mercedes SUV that this person called Sachin Vase used. And you must know that this Mercedes SUV, owned by him or used by him, whatever the case, full of cash, was actually parked in the Mumbai police headquarters. So is it possible that people didn't know an assistant police inspector would drive in a Mercedes SUV? And I have one word today for the Lutyens media, and I will say it to them, and I will say it to them straight. I will say it to so-called newspapers, who for whatever petty reason, till recently and even till this morning, for them this particular officer was the last word. Anything he published, any rubbish he spoke, any garbage he planted, any blackmail he carried out, anything he did, anything, this Lutyens media would publish it without asking a single question. And do you know why, viewers? Because it suited their convenience. I want you, viewers, to pull out all the rubbish planted by this individual in the course of the last 6 months and just see for yourself the elaborate detail with which everything this individual, for whom I will reserve the words he deserves, everything he did and said was planted as the last word. Anything. He could blackmail anyone, he could extort from anyone, he could threaten anyone, he could plant any stories. And this Lutyens media, for its own corporate interests, because it wanted to settle professional rivalries, would publish it. Anything he planted, leaked, relevant, irrelevant. It horrifies me, viewers. I will not name those channels and papers. You know who I'm talking about. Today they must put it, they must publish, they must telecast the news. They will not report this news. They must telecast the news and publish the news that Sachin Vase was the last word for them, because it suited. They thought they would attack others. They thought they would destroy other media institutions. They thought they would shoot off Sachin Vaze's shoulder to call others names. I want you viewers, for me, in our entire life, the only thing I believed is you know how to differentiate between right and wrong. And yes, I believe in karma. I know you believe in karma too. The truth will come to bite the people who accepted every lie of Sachin Vaze as the absolute truth. We don't need to even go to courts to know that what Sachin Vaze did was wrong. But everyone in this country, all institutions today, the media included, the criminal justice system, everyone, no one is above the law. Everyone knows today. And I'm sure everyone knows, the courts know. The courts know, lawyers know, students know, everyone knows that the truth has come out in such horrifying detail, and we're all watching today, aghast that this is the extent to which things have gone. But again, I return to the media because you know what they try to do is they want to prejudice the minds of people. Today I'm asking the same media, do you think people do not see? Do you think people do not differentiate? Do you think viewers don't know? Viewers know everything, and they know today. I want you viewers to identify that media which used to publish every lie of Sachin Vaze as the last word. I won't even tell you which case. You know which case, don't you? You know the lies planted, the untruths told, the falsehoods uttered, the threats put out. You know everything, viewers. And yes, I believe in karma. I also believe in destiny. I believe in everything that goes with the truth. The Lord Almighty, the courts of the country know the truth now. Everyone knows the truth. So we must ask, if this was the man on the basis of whom every quote-unquote investigation was being held out in Mumbai, he was the mastermind, then we will have to look back and ask ourselves, I want to ask the media of this country, what were they doing? If Vazegate has exploded, were they or were they not part of Vazegate in the same way? This is my question. I have a very simple question. Were large parts of the media in this country not willingly, gleefully part of Vazegate? And we are going to debate that at 10 tonight, viewers. Many of you have asked me, why don't I speak about what's happened? Well, you know, because I know that you know the truth. Because I know that when I look at the camera, I can see through, I can see you eye to eye. I know that you know that television is a transparent medium. But I want you to know that because you know and you are empowered, you must go back and ask those people. You must ask those people every day publish front page. Every article published, I will not name the newspaper, you know the newspaper. 1 or 2, 3, 4. 1 or 2 specific channels, you know the channels. Everything they published, who was their source? Go back and ask them, viewers. Go back and see who was their source and ask them whether the quote-unquote source of everything planted was the person whose Mercedes car is being found full of wads of cash, the man at the center of the most horrifying scandal, accused of terrorism, murder and much more. Was he part of a larger conspiracy? Ladies and gentlemen, the truth will be told. The truth is going to come out. And yes, all of us will know the entirety of the truth, viewers. It won't take long, believe me. It won't take long. That's debate number 2 tonight, viewers. Thank you for hearing me out. That's debate number 2 tonight. And before that, on debate number 1 this evening, the Bengal political violence is debate number 1. Rath attack, charges fired. JP Nadda makes a big announcement. And debate number 2, of course, viewers, is on what is being called Vazegate, the most horrifying, the dirtiest scandal to hit any police force in the country. And here are the headlines. Here are the headlines this Tuesday evening on the debate tonight. Massive scandal hits the Mumbai police. More officers investigated, more cars searched as Vazegate explodes in Maharashtra. Sachin Vaje's Mercedes-Benz searched by the NIA. Videos show several wads of cash recovered. BJP campaign Rath attacked in Purulia minutes before its launch. The BJP alleges the TMC's role. A week after Nandigram incident, Mamta fires a sensational charge, says there's a plot to kill her. In a big poll promise, the BJP says they will ensure reservations for backward Hindu castes in Bengal. And BJP MLA states sit in protest in the assembly, demand Ashok Gehlot's resignation over Snoopgate. Ladies and gentlemen, at a time where the BJP has picked up pace in its Bengal campaign and amidst political violence in the state, Mamta Banerjee has fired a sensational charge. She has alleged a plot to kill her. Here is the political face-off in Bengal as of today, and then we debate.
At 4:51 p.m., just minutes before the Rath Yatra was to be flagged off, BJP's campaign van was allegedly attacked.
ये वही परिवर्तन यात्रा है जिसके जरिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी दरअसल ये कोशिश कर रही थी कि आखिर पश्चिम बंगाल के अंदर किस तरीके से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जमीन को जो है मजबूत किया जाए, संगठन को मजबूत किया जाए, और इस पर जो है आज हमला किया गया। तो देखिए इसके अंदर जो है आपको कांच के टुकड़े साफ तौर पर नजर आ रहे हैं। दरअसल ये वही कांच के टुकड़े हैं जो शीशे में गिरे हैं। हालात जो है वो क्या कुछ बन रहे हैं पश्चिम बंगाल के अंदर, एक तरफ चुनावी पारा गर्म है तो दूसरी तरफ लगातार तोड़फोड़ की खबरें आ रही हैं।
But the BJP hit back with a massive announcement. Giving a preview of its manifesto, party chief has declared that BJP will ensure reservation for backward Hindu castes.
अब हमारी सरकार आएगी, आयोग बैठाएंगे और आयोग बैठा करके मंडल कमीशन में जो जातियां लिखी हैं उनको सम्मान दे करके इन लोगों के लिए भी हम प्रयास करेंगे कि इनको भी मुख्य धारा में जोड़ा जाए।
As political violence takes center stage in Bengal, on the day BJP has alleged another of its workers was murdered in the state, Mamta has alleged a plot to kill her.
তোমার মিটিংয়ে মানুষ যাচ্ছে না, তোমাকে বিশ্বাস করে না, তুমি অত্যাচার করো, তুমি কারখানা বন্ধ করে দাও, তুমি কৃষকদের হত্যা করো, তুমি কৃষকদের জমি কেড়ে নাও, তুমি সাধারণ মানুষের জমি কেড়ে নাও, তাই মানুষ তোমার সাথে আজকে নেই। তাই তোমাকে কি আমায় খুন করতে হবে? আমায় খুন করলে ভাবছো তুমি জিতে যাবে?
And the charge was met with fierce counters from top BJP leaders campaigning in the state.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो कार्यकर्ता जिन्हें टीएमसी के परिवारों ने जिनकी हत्या कर दी थी, निर्मम हत्या कर दी थी, वे 3 परिवार इस मंच पर मेरे साथ यहाँ पर आए थे। टीएमसी की सरकार की गुंडागिर्दी और उनके मानवीय कृत्यों पर देख करके क्षोभ हो रहा था, और तब मुझे लग रहा था कि अब इनके बहुत लंबे समय तक इनकी गुंडागिर्दी और इनकी अराजकता अब नहीं चल पाएगी।
बहनों भाइयों, कोई मां का लाल पश्चिमी बंगाल में बम नहीं बनाने पाएगा, बम नहीं बनाने पाएगा अगर बम फेंकेगा। बम बनाने की जो जरूरत करेगा हम उसकी खाट खड़ी कर देंगे, उसको उल्टा कर देंगे। मेरे बहनों भाइयों, आज आपको विश्वास दिलाकर जाना चाहिए।
So who is on the front foot in this battle for Bengal? Let's debate.
Bohiragoto Gunda. She says Bengal will not go into the hands of ruffian gundas from outside the state. Bohiragoto Gunda. Who is Bohiragoto Gunda? Who are you referring to? Who are the Bohiragoto Gunda?
The Bohiragato Gunda, the
Louder,
Honorable
please.
Supremo refers to, are the outsiders, the miscreants who have been inducted into the BJP politics, especially in Nandigram and other places, against whom we have already filed a report to the Election Commission. That miscreants from neighboring states are being inducted into the BJP as their cadre to create violence in the state. They are the Bohiragato Gunda who tried to launch a cowardly attack on our state CM.
Can you name any? Can you name any? Can you name any?
Let's hear some names. Yes, please.
That is for the police administration under the Election Commission's control to find out.
So you don't know any names, but you're making the charge.
Complaint, you must be having some names. You can't know. You can't keep on, complaining in the air. Who have you complained against? Where are the names?
Go to the
Who are you
Election
talking about?
Commission. It is looking after the police administration.
No, why
It is the
should
job
we?
of the Election Commission.
You have
to
complained,
answer
so you
BJP.
must
It is
be
not
knowing.
my job.
No. We don't have to go. We are going day in and day out to complain
We
about
have
your
complained to the
miscreants.
Election Commission.
So you tell us
My
the
party
names.
has complained to the Election Commission.
keep
I am
on
not going to
breaking
discuss that
our
with a
expensive
BJP
equipment.
person
You
on
keep
national
on
TV. You
misbehaving
want answers,
in
you
front
go to
of
the
our
Election
leaders.
Commission, please.
You keep on killing our people, and you are saying that we
Your
don't look
leader,
for names
Mr. Biss,
which you have
came to
imagined.
Kolkata, came to Bengal, and he's patronizing about law and order, where his own state
Mr.
is the
Who?
murder and rape capital of this country. That is the irony
Mr.
of this
Who?
country. It is an irony of this state.
Mr. Who?
Mr. Ajay
Who?
Mohan Bist. Do you
What
know
is
who
the
that
name?
person is? Mr.
Give
Ajay
me
Mohan
one
Bist.
name.
Mr.
Who?
Ajay
Mr.
Mohan
Who?
Bist. Do you know who
What?
even he, what is his, who this person
What
is?
did he say?
And you are a BJP spokesperson.
What
You
did
don't
he
know who
say?
Mr. Ajay
I'm
Mohan
sorry,
Bist
your
is.
audio is not very clear.
Unbelievable. Arnab, please
can't
educate
hear.
her. Arnab, it is not
I
my
did
job
not
to
hear
educate
the
her.
name.
They don't know the real name of their top
I didn't
leaders
hear
and
the
star
name.
campaigners. Arnab, please educate her on
Arnab,
who
I
Mr.
didn't
Ajay
hear.
Mohan
I ask you a second time. I ask you a second time, Riju, may I intervene in this debate? And I ask a second time as a matter of propriety, as a matter of decency. If you made a charge, you must name the individual. And therefore, I don't think I'm wrong when I'm asking, am I wrong? I mean, I'm asking Pathikrit, am I wrong when I'm asking Riju?
have made the
And you can
charge
debate
and the
this with
Election
Sanjay
Commission
Sarkar. Am I wrong if I'm asking Riju to name who you are referring to as Bohiragato Gunda? Gundas from outside. Who are these gundas from outside? There were lakhs of people at the brigade rally. Are they gundas from outside? Are you referring to the Prime Minister? Are you referring to the Home Minister who has been leading the campaign in Bengal? Are you referring to BJP President JP Nadda? Is he a Bohiragato Gunda? A Gunda from outside? Come on now. Come on. Pathikrit wants to say something now.
No.
These words are not appropriate.
First of all, I thought that once Yashwant Sinha was inducted in TMC, this whole nonsense of outsider in insider debate will stop. But unfortunately, it has not stopped. Now, what happened in Nandigram was a very unfortunate accident. If at all anybody was present, if at all anybody had attacked, did they vanish in thin air? There was an entire entourage of security personnel of Honorable CM at that time. What were they doing? We could not see anybody catching somebody or running after somebody. Did they just fly away like Hanuman? It did not happen. It cannot happen. So if you know what is happening, victimhood is a powerful weapon in politics. But unfortunately, victimhood cannot work all the time. Today, what we are seeing is
You're a good debater, but you don't listen, you know.
attempts of political assassination. When you talk about attempts of political assassination, what happened in 2013 in the Patna rally of Narendra Modi was an attempt of political assassination. That happened in 2019 Patna rally when a series of crude bombs were, exploded. Here was an unfortunate accident because of a pillar. It ran.
Please no. You're talking over each other, please.
For that. But where does this whole saga of outsider comes in? If the outsiders were there, what was the
My
police
goodness,
doing
he's
at
gone
that
to
time?
Patna
It
now.
was the personal
Arey, Patna
security-
election is
the
over.
personal
BJP
security
has
of
lost.
BJP
Somehow they have
is
got
not
the Gathbandhan
responsibility
Sarkar
of the
there. Why are
Election
you talking
Commission.
about Bihar?
Get your
If
facts right.
Tejasvi wouldn't have
Election
been
Commission
so
does not
big-hearted
take care
towards
of
Congress, then
personal
BJP would
security
have
of
not made the
VIPs.
government
So
there.
when she was
Why
going
we are
there,
talking about Patna? Stick to the narrative of the debate, which is Bengal
it was the
politics.
responsibility
They
of
have
them to
nothing
take
to
care of
say.
it.
They'll
We
go to
did not
Patna,
see anybody
no matter
in
what.
Nandigram trying to catch hold of anybody. Secondly, the predicament of TMC is that they can't name anybody from Nandigram. Because in that case, the entire political fortune in that place will get hampered.
Four people slamming the car door on the only woman chief minister in this state. They will not see these miscreants manhandling Mamta Banerjee, trying to slam the door, breaking her leg and trying to kill her. They will not see that because they have selective vision. These BJP cadres and so-called bhakts have become the three wise monkeys. They will not hear anything.
A minute, please.
They will not see anything.
Let me switch sides because I'm covering all subjects on the debate. Thank you. Now both of you are speaking over each other. You know, both of you are speaking over each other. That's so bad. That's so bad. That's so bad. Now come on. Come on now. Now come on, Riju. Riju, come on now. Riju, come on now. Come on, Riju. Riju, come on now. You're younger to me. You should learn some of my, good attributes. I never interrupt. Look at me. I never heckle. I never interrupt. I never disturb people. I am a greatest listener. I'm the greatest listener. So learn that from me. Now let me carry on, please. 1 minute. I'd like to bring in Chandra Bose and S.K. Datta into the debate. And I want to turn to the BJP now. Today, JP Nadda said that Mamta Banerjee has left several Hindu OBC castes such as Mahesho and Teli out of the reserved category because of a politics of appeasement. And he has also said that when we come to power, we'll ensure reservation for them. Simple question, why did you remember this now suddenly? Is it a new discovery? Why did you remember this now? Chandra Bose, why don't you tell Sanjay Sarkar or Anirban? Why did you remember this now? It's a good thing, but why now?
See, the question is, it's not that we are remembering it now. We have basically the commitment that we have made. We have reiterated the commitment now in Bengal because elections are there and we have to make our commitment to the people. You see, today in Bengal, there is paranoia among the Trinamool Congress people, including the Honorable Chief Minister. You see, she is completely on the defensive. We are being constantly attacked. Today, our vehicles were smashed in Purulia. We are not allowed to campaign. So why this paranoia with the Chief Minister? This is a question we
Smashed by whom? Smashed by whom?
Well, I would not
smashed
comment,
by whom?
but
Who smashed your Rath?
Obviously,
Who smashed your election Rath?
Goons of the Trinamool Congress are constantly...
What do you mean, obviously? You have any proof? Chandra Bose, you're a very responsible man. Do you have any proof to back your claim?
We have reported the matter to the Election Commission. It is for the Election Commission to find out the exact details as to what has happened. But we have got...
but then without knowing... It's like... without knowing you level the charge.
We have got eyewitnesses who have clearly stated that it is the Trinamool Congress...
Okay, bad audio, but Riju.
Can I come in, Anna?
Who have attacked.
Who wants to... Sanjay Sarkar or Riju? Who wants to respond?
Yes. So...
No, 1 second, Riju. 1 second, Riju. 1 second, Riju.
Three sections... Okay. Let me know when I can speak.
When there is so many groups, there's also one of the Mukul Rai group.
Speak.
This is the Subhendra Adhikari group, and another is the Babul Supriya group, and so many group is there. This is the groupism politics. There also, this is Trinamool never believe any political violence. Any political violence. Trinamool Congress never believe in any casteism. Trinamool Congress never believe. Trinamool Congress never believe is any casteism matters because our party is totally secular party.
God. My goodness.
No,
Please,
never believe.
I just want to add one thing.
Never
you were
believes
asking
Chandra
about how... I'm not even being able to understand anything. Who's talking what?
No,
I just want to add on to what Chandra has said. You see, we have...
Amit sir, why not attend in Jharkhand meeting? Why not attend in Jharkhand meeting?
Would you like to speak in another language?
No people is there. Because there is no people is there also.
We've
No people is
gone
there.
through
The
this.
mass
No,
of
we've
people
gone
are not
through this.
supporting in the
There was a
BJP, Bharatiya
technical
Janata
glitch.
Party.
I don't want
Mass
to
people
deviate
are
from
not
this.
supporting
We
the
have
Bharatiya
gone through
Janata
this. There was
Party.
enough
Bharatiya
people.
Janata Party,
No,
Bharatiya
let's not
Janata
go through this
Party,
now.
right?
First, you please explain. Oh
This is-
God, he's going on and on a different tangent. Arnab, I just want to add on to what Chandra has said. We have added proof. We have. Please, can you let me speak? At least have that decency. If you cannot do it on the field, have some decency to let me speak on this channel. Arnab, I just want to add to what Chandrada has already said. Chandrada must be knowing a lot more than me, but when the news came from Purulia, we were in the news center, media center that we have in Calcutta. It was very clear that the hypo, the so-called hypo, was there having.
My dear sister,
I am not your sister. So let me finish. I am not your sister. I am no sister of any female member. So please keep quiet and let me talk. You people came out from Abhishek. You believe. Because that is all you believe. You have no other ideology except the ideology of violence. You please listen to me. Oh no, it was very, don't talk about Mahatma Gandhi here. You can disrupt Baba Ambedkar Rao's rally because those Trinamool miscreants were coming back from Abhishek's rally. It was very clear. We have submitted video footage of the entire incident to the EC. Then you will hear from the EC. Listen, no point ragging hand.
His prom is the Madhya Pradesh. Do you know the one is the big mafia and big gunda is right now in the West Bengal. He is the BJP leader and so many outsider gunda and mafia right now in the Bengal. They are coming for.
I want to focus the debate on another charge. May I please go back to the other issue? A very key point which has emerged today, and on this I want to bring SK and Anirban in and everyone in, and please feel free, Subhajit, to come in, and Rohan also to come in. Rohan Shomen Mitra is the leader of the West Bengal Congress. Rohan, good to see you. I hope you can hear me. Can you hear me, Rohan?
Yeah.
Rohan, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Rohan, can you hear me?
Is my
audio clear? Thank you, Rohan. My question is, Rohan, and it's good to see young leaders come in Bengal. I think one of the great things I've seen, as I've been now, we launched Republic Bangla. One of the best things in Bengal happening today, among many terrible things, is the fact that a lot of young leaders have emerged to the forefront in Bengal politics, and I think that's something really admirable. Rohan, my question is to you and to Subhajit and everyone. Today, JP Nadda raised one issue, and the BJP intends to make it a big political issue. They say that why have key castes and subcastes, backward castes from the Hindu community been denied OBC status? They are saying that when we come to power, we will correct this. And to an extent, they are correct, because out of the 72 castes, 72 out of the 80 castes in Section A of the OBC list in Bengal are from the Muslim community. So the clear allegation the BJP is making is that Didi has only taken care of the backward among the Muslim community and has totally ignored the backward groups from the Hindu community. So Rohan, I want your view on this, then I'll open up the debate. Maybe you and Subhajit can debate, then I'll get in the rest. Yeah.
First of all, I would just want to go say something to you that, there are three sides to this contest. Okay, so I'm definitely not on the Trinamool side. So if you in the future, if we could have a third side, because I'm representing the ISF, Congress and the Left Alliance here. My point here is, if the BJP is promising jobs and, reservations for any section of the society, I welcome it, because jobs are very important. That's a key issue, what we are talking about in our stand. But my biggest problem here is the reservation comes in government jobs. The BJP is, as we know, privatizing half the government institutions. We have already seen the BJP in power for the last 7-8 years in India. We've seen the number of jobs they have promised in the past and what they have done. So this today, right before the election, is a very nice appeasement politics. It suits their narrative. They are going on the on record and saying this, but I'll be honest with you, there is no backup on this. They've never done anything to prove their point. So this is just a mere rhetoric on their part. They have gone to Bakura, they have gone to Purulia, where there is a lot of, the backward caste Hindus. They are trying to get their vote. It's just vote bank politics. I would want to tell you that our leader, who's standing in Bagmundi, Nepal Mahato, he's already gone on record and asked for reservation for the Kurmi community. They are very much Hindus, and we are yet to hear anything on this regard. So 2019 to 2021, the BJP has already won in Bakura.
No, but equally,
in Purulia,
Shubhajit, why now?
places,
The question will
and
be
we have
why
seen
now?
Nothing being done.
I take your point, Rohan. I take your point, Rohan, but if I turn that to Shubhajit, the question will be why now? Yeah. Why are you all remembering Hindu castes who deserve to be in the reservations, deserve quotas? Why are you remembering them now? Is it a sudden realization that because the BJP has come in, that they are playing the Hindu card, that you're going to be left out by a large section of the electorate?
See, for us, the Hindu-Muslim is not an issue. It's definitely not an issue. We are talking about jobs for everyone. Jobs for young people.
Shubhajit, I want to hear from Shubhajit.
The universities. We want jobs for everyone. It's just not for Hindus, Muslims. Give jobs to Christians, give jobs to Jains. Give it to everyone. Why are you stopping it? They are the incumbent central party, which is making all the policies.
This whole problem
we have the Trinamool in Bengal, which is...
No, why have they not been given so far, is my question.
I think the whole problem is that every time I have just heard in one of the clipping on your channel, Naddaji is talking about implementing Mandal Commission. My bigger question is that Naddaji's party has implemented EWS, and there were objections in the Supreme Court and things like that, but then they had no problem. But if you look at the OBC reservation status in the government institutions, there are lots and lots of institutions, the government institution, judiciary, bureaucracy, IITs, IIMs, universities. I am a professor in the Jadavpur University, and I see there are, OBC reservation is not being implemented properly. So it's not about Bengal, but throughout the country, in the NEET, in the medical services exams, so this is coming up. But on the Muslim question, I deeply object to this, that, Muslims should not be given the quotas, and, Naddaji is talking about Hindu quota. But the problem is Hindu OBC quota. But are the Muslims not the Indians? They came up with NRC, CA and things like that. But the Muslims in Bengal, they are one of the most backward along with the SCs, and backward castes. So I think we should also, if you look at the Rajendra Sachar committee report, the Sachar committee report has, clearly showed that
Shubhajit,
Muslims are very backward in Bengal, yeah.
No, I'm not saying, no, I'm not saying that. Shubhajit, Shubhajit, 1 minute. I'm not saying that. The question is different. The question is, JP Nadda, the BJP president, has decided to pull out what the BJP believes is a massive issue, which is discrimination against Hindus in the quota policy in Bengal. That is the point that Anirban needs to explain. Now, numerically, let me tell you the numbers, because I just debated this on Republic Bangla. Let me tell you the numbers. A minute, please. In part A of the OBC list, 72 out of 80 are from the Muslim community. In part B, SK Datta and Anirban, 39 out of 80 are from the Muslim community. So why are Hindu OBCs marginalized in the process? Anirban, without trying to deflect this question. If you want to deflect, I'll ask Riju to answer. But without deflecting, can you answer the question? Anirban and then SK. Please.
Give me 30 seconds, please. I think BJP should form a national commission to look into the Bengali.
Okay, you get 30 seconds. I give you 30 seconds. 1 minute.
Okay. Yeah. So Bengali OBC communities, if Naddaji thinks that they are very, very backward, I think Naddaji
SK Datta and Shubhajit.
He should form a backward caste commission to look into the matter.
The main question out here is like,
really
we all know what has been the game of Mamata Banerjee for last so many years now. We know the reality, what has been the game of Mamata Banerjee for the last 10 years. Except for minority appeasement, she has done nothing else. Minority appeasement has been the main politics of Mamata Banerjee. If Mamata Banerjee gets a chance Probably she would
Mamta
give
Banerjee has
reservation to
balanced
Rohingyas
all of
also.
the
Anirban
That is the reality.
responding.
Mamta Banerjee knows
Anirban
only
responding
one thing,
to
that
SK.
is Muslim and
No, the
Muslim.
point- yeah,
For the
the
last
point
10
being,
years,
Mr.
the
Nadda
whole
must
agenda of
recall.
the
Anirban.
Congress government
Must
has been
recall those
Muslim
election
appeasement.
promises made
That
from
is the reality.
2014.
And that's
If
the
we are
reason
to
why
believe
BJP
that
is
Mr.
saying
Nadda
the
is
Hindu
actually
OBCs
willing
who
to
have been
back his claims
discriminated.
what
if
about
given
those
chance
promises
and
made
if
right from
BJP is voted
2014?
to power,
Does Mr.
BJP will
Nadda
be
have
fulfilling
any
the
perfect
promise of
idea about the economic
reservation to
status of the
OBC
people,
community from
whether
the
they're
Hindu-
backward or
Hindu
not,
communities
classes
as
from
such,
West
because
Bengal? He has
Mamta
no
Didi has
idea.
done
Simple
nothing.
empty
And the
election
second
promises,
thing
that
in
is
relation
all.
to
If you are
violence,
serious,
I
if you are
say,
serious about
Duare,
the
Duare,
development of the
Gunda
backward
Raj,
classes,
Hate,
that too in
Hate,
government jobs,
Gomer
then
Kaj.
why are you
She
so
talks
keen on
about
privatizing
Gorato
everything?
Gundas. You know the
The reservations, Dada, the reservations can be there only in government jobs. We all agree on that, do we? There are
Anirban
no
is on the debate
reservations
with
in private
Anirban
jobs
and
based on
Shatarupa.
caste. It's only
Anirban
government
and Shatarupa,
jobs.
10 minutes into the debate, I want to come to one more
Therefore,
point.
when the government
10 minutes into the 10 minutes into the debate, I want to come to the next point.
Institutions are getting
And I invite on this debate Pothikrit, Shatarupa,
Just 1 minute. Give me 10
Shatarupa.
Thank you, Arnab.
Shatarupa,
JP Nadda, JP
Shatarupa and Riju, thank you, Shatarupa and Riju. I'm intervening with a question. Riju, my question to you, Shatarupa, 1 minute. Shatarupa, 1 minute. In May 2012, Mamta Banerjee added many categories to OBC reservation. And she proudly said after that after what I have done, 99% of the Muslim community will be under this category. Now, 9 years later, I'm asking you, what did you do for Hindu OBCs?
Nothing.
Forgot about
She
it.
did nothing. And she won't ever do anything.
You have said in the
হিন্দুরা
second category
মমতা
out of
ব্যানার্জির
80,
মতে
40
হিন্দুরা
are
সব
all will
বানের
be
জলে ভেসে
included.
এসছে।
And the remaining one will be included in the OBC list. The problem with BJP and JP Nadda and the
She
top
will
brass
never
of
do
BJP
that.
is they have
You
become
need
pathological
BJP
liars.
and you need
They
JP
come
Nadda's
here, feed
presidency to get
lies
into
about
this
CA
and
to
get
the
people
Matuas.
into the mainstream.
They will talk about reservation lies to the Dalits, wherein BJP runs states
Again,
the
they
crime
want the
against
CA
Dalits
now.
are more than 30% and in Bengal it is 0.5%. Bottom line is we have seen 15 lakh jumlas, 2 crore job per year jumlas, 2 lakh crore relief packages. So it is all fake promises and jumlas. 7 years of fake promises and fake promises against
Where do
10
they
years
get
of
this
development
data?
and touching the lives of people in Bengal. Our report card is that this is the only state which provides free healthcare, free ration, free education and free life insurance to every resident of this city, of this state.
Because of
Which
the
other
central
state in this
money.
country does it?
Because of the
Forget
money the
BJP
central
runs
comes
it.
and
They
you
have
don't
gone to
even
the
give
lowest
that.
of the low.
You don't even give that.
No, the
Don't
problem is
lie.
you have money.
Don't
You have PMK
lie on a
money.
national
But only
channel.
what we have
So
seen,
you're
we have seen
lying
4
on a national
ventilators
channel.
and you
The
are using the
entire
PMK
country
money for
sees you.
NLA horse trading,
You are
madam.
lying. You're completely
You have sold
lying.
Air India, you have sold Indian Railways, SAIL, BHEL, everything. How much cut money
Where's
have
the
you got
horse
out of
trading
it?
now?
How much
What are
cut
they
money has
talking?
Modi Shah syndicate got out of selling the
What money
state
you
machineries
get?
of this country? You have to answer that question.
You're talking
When you
like
talk
you're
about
talking to
Vaiko,
a mirror.
how
Okay,
conveniently
I
you
have a
forget
question.
about the
First, you
Vaiko.
answer
I
this
have a question.
Mr. Jay Shah, whose company
I have a question, Riju, I'm asking you a question. Riju and Shatarupa, if you can both calm down. If you can both calm down and hear me, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Calm.
Riju,
You need to find a good BJP team.
দেখো সোজা প্রশ্ন করছি সোজা উত্তর দাও আই এম আস্কিং ইউ আ স্ট্রেট কোয়েশ্চেন আই ওয়ান্ট আ স্ট্রেট রিপ্লাই 1 minute 1 minute বাবা 1 minute May 2012 না আপনি দিচ্ছেন রিজু দিচ্ছেন না 1 minute in May 2012 the Trinamool government ensured a gazette notification, right? It was published and there were 35 castes which were included. Mr. Riju, are you listening? 35 castes were included, Pathikrit, to the OBC list. 35 out of 35 were only from the Muslim community. Why?
Why? because
But
she's
post
only
that,
part of the Muslims.
how many
She
have
doesn't
been
care about
inducted
the
from the
Hindus, I think.
Hindu minorities and the Hindu Dalit community? From Olchikis, from Kurmis, from Rajvanshis to Matuas? Please say that also, Anna.
Out of 80 castes, 72 belong in the category A from the Muslim community.
And the,
So Baki Atta,
So symbolically you gave a few Hindu OBC.
and it's because we have a manifesto coming up. JP Nadda, extremely relevantly, he's very nicely pointed
Nadda
out.
is
He's not talked
saying
about
lies
reservations.
in
I
Bengal
saw this on your
elections.
channel. He has very
Amit
clearly
Shah
said
ji, being the
that
Union Home Minister, has lied to the Matuas regarding CAA.
not
We
my
can
Amit
never
Shah.
implement
All right,
CAA.
Rohan wants to come in. Rohan. Yeah, Rohan is intervening. Yeah, we'll bring in Rohan. Yeah, Rohan, go on. Rohan. Let's bring in Rohan back.
Both sides, and I just want to say one thing.
Rohan is on the debate. Rohan is on the
They are
debate.
the
1 minute, please.
incumbent
Rohan.
powers.
Subhajit, just
One
wait,
is in
Rohan.
the center, one is in the state. And all we are hearing is both of them shouting over each other. Nothing has been delivered in the last 10 years and the 7 years. We've seen them in power. The fact of the matter is there are no government jobs. So what are we talking about reservations? There are no if there are no jobs, we've seen the last few years, the economy has gone down. The data is all there. You saw the migrant workers, how they suffered. And we are talking about reservation here. The Kurmis, which our leader Nepal Mahato has been speaking of in the State Legislative Assembly, they haven't been given any reservation till date. Why? That's my question to my
Shubhajit is coming in. Shubhajit is coming in.
And to the BJP,
Shubhajit's
it's
coming
like
in.
2 crore jobs, nothing till date. What are we talking about? Why promises?
No, my only question is, in such a high voltage election, where is the Congress president apart from doing push-ups in the southern state? Why has he not got the decency to come to Bengal? Even in their massive show of strength in the brigade,
just
I have
keep
not
to
seen
Bengal.
why
are we
talking
about
the national
I just question this sudden love for OBC reservation. I just question BJP's sudden love for Mandal Commission. I just question BJP's sudden love for OBC reservation. I will once again reiterate the fact that how many OBCs are there in the judiciary, in the universities, in IIMs, in IITs, in central universities. They are not being implemented. There is no there are rarely any OBC professors in the central universities.
Okay, so I have a question. I have a question today, and my question is to SK Datta.
Cottage industry for life.
SK Datta is on the debate. He's spoken less, and I want him to come in with Anirban. Today, Yogi Adityanath was also there in Bengal. And Yogi Adityanath was also there in Bengal. Terrific speaker, great campaigner, very popular. While addressing, especially has quite a following in Bengal. While addressing a rally, he said, I'm so glad that Mamta Banerjee is doing Chandi Path from a political stage. And he said, ye hamari vaicharik jeet hai, noitik jeet. He said it's an ideological victory. My question is, SK Datta, is the BJP thinking that it's the proprietor of Hindu culture? Huh? Who built the skywalk to Dakshineshwar temple in 2018? It was Mamta Banerjee. And are you saying that Bengalis don't have any Hindu culture before the BJP came in? There was no Satyanarayan Pujo, Kali Pujo, Durga Pujo. There was no. You have brought in Hindu culture. Bengal has discovered Hinduism. The Bengal, the state where Swami Vivekananda represented Hindu religion in the world's Parliament of Religions in 1893. You are in the state where Swami Vivekananda comes from, you are almost speaking as if you brought in Hindu culture to Bengal. Why? Why are you talking like that?
No, of course not. Or no, we are not proprietor. We are not proprietor to the Hindu culture. We are actually protector of the Hindu culture. We do not invite Rohingyas to come from Bangladesh only because of vote bank.
So
we do not ask the Bangladesh.
What do you mean project? Anirban is on the debate. Anirban. 2 minutes.
We do not ban.
No, when Adityanath banned Durga Puja in Uttar Pradesh, what happened to this protected tag?
30 seconds, come on, Shatarupa is on the debate.
When Durga Puja got banned, when the 80-year-old Bandit got demolished by the BJP leader,
yes, when the Hindu revivalism happened, we have a Mamata Banerjee who stopped Durga Puja Visarjan, who stopped Saraswati Puja from schools, who
this country radicalized so much that we need a license
harassing
for these
Hindus.
BJP
Hindu
goons to
festivals
say
have
that
been
we are a
stopped.
BJP, we are Hindus?
Systematically, she has
Definitely
been
not.
stopping
And you know,
Durga Puja
none of our
Vishwakarma,
parents
where we
will
had
have
to even
problems,
approach
but our future
High Court.
generations will
High
have to
Court
give
said
this
this is not
answer
correct.
because of this
Okay.
country by the BJP. And if BJP is at the power, they will turn this country.
Okay, viewers, coming up on the other side and closing this debate on the other side, what you've been waiting for, what is being loosely described as Sachin Gate, as Vaze Gate, as Vaze Gate, and what is without doubt one of the most horrifying, one of the dirtiest scandals to hit a police force. May this never happen again. More details about what's been going on in Mumbai on the other side, live and breaking here on The Debate.